G'day! Today we are looking for the cuckoo. Unfortunately, the cuckoo did not show up. But while looking for the cuckoo, I found a wren building a nest, so I've decided to make a video about a wren instead. Not quite as exciting, but such a sweet little thing, I thought I'd do a video on it. Here's a little joke for you. What is made out of brass and sounds like Tom Jones? I'm going to give you a few minutes to think about that, and I'll tell you at the end. With a length of 10 centimeters and a wingspan of 15 centimeters and only weighing 10 grams, it's not the smallest bird in the UK. That honour goes to the goldcrest, but it is the shortest, with a lifespan of 2 years. The European wren is the only member of wren family to be found outside the Americas, which has 83 different species of wren. The wren is the most common breeding bird in the UK, and they are currently 8.6 million breeding wren territories in the UK. It is more scarce in northern England and Scotland and upper Highlands due to the cold. Wrens can be found in mixed woodlands, farmlands, heathlands and gardens all across the UK. Most often heard than seen, your best chances of identifying this little bird is by listening out for its loud song. For such a small bird, it has an incredibly powerful voice. In proportion to its size, the wren has the loudest song of any British bird. What do they eat? Wrens usually eat close to the ground, using their pointed bills to snack on insects, spiders and other small morsels. They also eat seeds, berries and even tadpole. The breeding season for the wren takes place during the early spring, with the males establishing their territories during this time. Each male uses moss and twigs to build a selection of domed nests for the females to consider when they enter the male's territories. The male wrens can build from 6 to 12 nests, and at least 50% of the wrens have more than one mate. If the female chooses a certain male's nest, they will begin breeding once the nest has been lined. The nests are usually built in sheltered areas, including nest boxes. Usually around 5 to 7 eggs are laid, hatching after approximately 2 weeks. The bond between the males and the female is very loose, and only a minority of males help rear the young, which will fledge in a further 15 to 20 days later. Wrens during the winter, to keep warm, will nest communally, with as many as 10 birds spending the night together in a single nest box. The maximum recorded roosting together is 61. Great news! I've decided to give away one of my canvases. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel and type in the comments, "I want a canvas." I will be selecting a winner at random on the 29th of July 2023. The winner will be able to choose any size canvas and any image which is on my website, rpcamera.pictures. Unfortunately, you do have to be within one of the countries which is currently shown on screen. These are all the countries that the canvases can be sent to from my website. Again, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel and type in the comments, "I want a canvas." Good luck! Now for the answer to the joke. What is made out of brass and sounds like Tom Jones? Trombones. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please click like. If you didn't like the video, please let me know in the comments below and let me know what you would like to be changed. Currently working on more videos with more species, and it's well worth subscribing to the channel so you don't miss them. It only takes you a second, but it really does help the channel. Thank you. Bye.